This is pymsword, a Python library for Word document automation. Here is what we are going to do. Take an Excel file on one hand, combine it with a Word template, and then with the help of a small script where we make the link between the data in the sales sheet here and the template, together with pymsword, we are going to generate a sales report. First thing you need to do is to install pymsword. So pip install pymsword, and in this example we also need OpenPixel. Examples are available on the Github repository of pymsword. You will find the address in the conclusion slide. In this example we have an Excel file, sales sheet here, a template, and the report from ExcelPy script which is displayed here. Let's have a look at the sales sheet very quickly. So it's basically a table with sales according to region and months. And you see that there are some post tables with charts and some key information available in some specific cells. All the important information are defined in column number 4, and corresponding values are in column number 5. On the other hand, you will see that each chart has a name into Excel, and we will use this name. So now let's switch to the template. As you see, it's just a Word document with placeholders corresponding to information that are going to come from the Excel file. If you want to understand the link between the template and the Excel file, it's quite obvious. Let's look at the first one here, total revenue. This information is in fact available in a Python dictionary here. And you see that total revenue is information in the Excel file in column 4, and the corresponding value in column 5 will be the result of this function. So yeah, we can just cross-check with the Excel file. You see total revenue here, the first information in column 4, and the value, corresponding value in column E. So yeah, establishing this dictionary is the main thing, and just a few lines of Python script, and then we can generate our document. So as you can see, all information is substituted accordingly, the charts are substituted at the right place, and you get your document faithfully according to the template as expected. So that's pymsword, a Python library that handles everything from simple reports like this one to complex documents with thousands of pages. We have been using this approach in production for 20 years, and now it's available as an open source library on Github. Whether you need RTF fields, table of contents, or just reliable document generation that preserves your template formatting, pymsword has you covered. Check it out on Github. You see the repository here, and if you need consulting for more complex implementations, feel free to contact us.